My name is Yashwant. Subject code 23MAT01. Student name J. Yashwant. Roll number 234G1A05I7. Branch CSC C section. Subject name Linear Algebra and Calculus. Question: vector show that the vector field f bar is equal to 2xyz square I bar plus x square z square plus z cos yz j bar plus 2x square yzy cos yz k bar is irrotational. Find the potential function. Curl f I bar j bar k bar d by dx d by dy d by dz 2xy z square xz x square z square plus 2x square yz plus y cos yz y cos yz I bar into d by dy 2x square yz plus y cos yz into minus d by dz into x square dz plus z cos yz minus j bar d by dx 2x square yz plus y cos yz d by dz 2x yz plus k bar d by dx x square z square plus z cos yz minus d by dy 2x yz 2 whole square I bar 2x square z plus y minus sin yz z plus cos yz 2x square z plus z minus sin yz y plus cos yz minus j bar 4x yz plus 0 minus 4x yz plus k bar 2x z square plus 0 minus 2x z square I bar 2x square zy minus yz sin yz plus cos yz 2x square z plus zy sin yz minus cos yz plus j bar into 0 plus k bar into 0 I bar into 0 plus j bar into 0 plus k bar into 0. Curl f bar is equal to 0. The function is irrotational. There exists phi such that f bar is equal to del phi. Then phi is called scalar potential. I bar d by dx plus j bar d by dy plus k bar d by dz. Phi is equal to 2x yz square I plus x square z square plus 2 cos y cos yz j bar plus 2x square yz plus y cos yz k bar I bar d by dx pi plus j bar d by dy pi plus k bar d by dz pi is equal to 2x yz square I plus x square z square plus z cos yz k bar plus 2x square yz plus y cos yz k bar. Comparing the coefficients d by dx pi 1 is equal to 2x yz square 1 d by dy pi 2 x square z square plus 2 cos yz d by dz pi 3 dx square yz plus y cos yz 3 by integration 1 to 3 pi 1 2x square yz square by 2 plus c1 4 pi 2 x square z square y plus sin yz plus c3 of 5 pi 3 x square y square z square plus sin yz plus c4 of 6. Equation 6 from equation 4y 4 5 6 pi 3x square yz square plus 2 sin yz plus c4. It is a potential function. Thank you.